What's up, everybody? This is your boy, Mr. Dynamics FX. I'm back again with another video. So today, we're still checking AUDUSD. Uh, we're having this great movement. So I'm about to share with you guys. I think you should jump into because we're gonna eat, right? So let's go straight into it. So as you can see here, we have this structure here. Right, let me just identify the structure. The structure is what has a dead touch. Yeah, so the market, every time when the market makes a dead touch, especially on the channel, just know that the market it's about to go up or go down. In this case, the market is going up. Right, it's a change of direction. Whenever a market is making a dead touch to it's either this point or that point, it's a change of direction, right? So here, remember it was a downtrend, right? Then one, two, then that one it was going down, right? On the third touch, it went up, meaning there's a change of what of direction. So now let's just go straight into where you want the market to be, right? So if you can go back to my previous video, you can see the analysis, the aim. Let me just try to explain something. Sorry. All right. If you can go back and check the previous analysis on AUDUSD, you can clearly see that at this point here, I identify this area, which was a strong zone, right? And I say the market is just gonna, right, come back to this area and retest and go up. All right. So let's see what the market did after. All right. You see, the market broke in. It didn't do what we see. Hence, that's why I'm saying we don't what we're doing today is we're predicting the direction of the market. We don't control the market. Do you understand? That is why that is why in forex trading there's no 100% accurate strategy. None. It's either it's gonna be 90%, 80%, some of 95% accurate. Do you understand? Never 100. That's why in terms of like this, we use the stop loss, then the market hit the stop loss, then we waited, right, for the market to show us something clear. You understand? So that we can take it. So when I was sitting down and checking why the market decided to go down like this, right? And then I had to adjust, or yes, I had to be reactive. Do you understand? And not go with my prediction and say, no, the market has to go up, has to go up. Why? Then I blame brokers or I blame what or no. You must be always be reactive, react on what the market is giving you. Do you understand? So I decided to sit down and check the market. So after the market it broke out, right? Then it broke in. Then I recognized this area here. Do you see the strong zone here? So we have this strong zone here. So the market broke in. So what our prediction now, right, using our strategy, is that this zone, which is the resistance, right, is a strong area, which the market broke up, right? Then it broke in again, meaning now the market has to retest this level and then pushes down to this area here. Understand? So what do we have in mind? Let's look the whole of the structure, right? We know that the market has already broke this huge correction to the downside. And we know that the market, after breaking this structure, it needs to go up and meet the 90% rule. You understand? So hence we're saying here, although the market, yes, it's going down for now, but soon the market needs to go up for the longest time. Do you understand that? So as we as we see here, we can clearly see the market broke into this strong area. Remember, this is a very, very strong area because the market rejected, and we see how it rejects. It rejected, making a huge movement to the downside, right? It broke this strong area. That's why firstly I said no. Since the market broke this area, it will come here and just push up, but it didn't do that. So we need to be what? Reactive. So now, when it comes to being reactive, you can see that since the market broke in the strong area, I always see when the market breaks a certain zone in, the market needs to come back in the test that zone and continue with that movement. Do you understand? But then we find ourselves having this area here. Also, this one is a strong area. Do you understand that? As you can see, it rejected Then it broke what? It broke out, came back and retested this zone. This is our higher low, right? This is our higher low, and this is our, yes, this is our higher low, and this is our lower high. Do you see that? So as you can see, what we're waiting for now is for the market to push down to come to this area. And then from this area, we're just going to buy it and go up. Why are we saying the market's going to go for? It's going to come to this area and go up. Right. The market, since it broke in here, so meaning the market didn't find an area of volume in this zone. So the market was like, no, this zone is too weak. Do you understand that? So it's, we're saying that the market, the zone is what it's strong, but the market refused and said, no, it's not. You understand that? So the market is searching a zone of high volume. Do you understand? So that it can take that power to go up, right? You understand? So in other cases, for those who look at who are swing traders, you find that the market is just coming back here just to to take out the stop losses, to clear the liquidity, to take more money so that, the buyers can have more power. Yeah, understand, to go up. Do you understand that? So now since the market is searching for an area of high volume, so which area has a high volume here? I understand is this area. Do you understand? Is this area around this area? Why am I saying this is a high volume area? You can clearly see that the market went up, right? Impulsively, then it went down, but then it went up with a huge impulsive again. Meaning here is there's so much power here of the buyers. You understand? There's so much power of the buyers here on the right on the volume area. So hence that's why I'm saying the market will come down here, right, and take power and then push up because the market is still searching for that high volume area, and that high volume area is this one. Let me say the market decides to break like this. Which is the next high volume area? The next high volume area is this one. Do you understand? If it breaks here, we're still gonna say, okay, fine. If it breaks, the market is gonna come back and retest this level, right? And then we're gonna sell it and come in. But when it arrives to this area, we expect the market to buy because it's a high volume area. I hope you get me. So same thing, if the market decides to not know, I'd rather go down again. It's fine. You're gonna wait for the market to break, come back and to test this level and come here. And then when the market reaches this point, we know this point is a high volume area. Why is a high volume area? Because this area creates this huge impulse to the upside. So we're gonna expect to buy also when it arrives to this area. So I hope you understand very, very well. So it's very, very important. But for now, our high volume area is this one that we have here, which is this one. You understand? So now we're expecting the market to push down to come to this area. Then after that, we wait for a confirm. Always wait for a confirmation, but it's very, very important to wait for a confirmation before you buy. Do you understand that? Before you buy, and then we're gonna take it to the upside and make 90% go. So let's go a little deeper and see on H4 what's happening there. So when we see on H4, we can see that already the retest has been done. Already the market is preparing to go down. Do you understand? As you can see here, right? Let's look at this area. As you can see, the market already broke in and retested it. Now currently it's going down. So this is what we call a confirmation. You understand? So now this is a, if you want to, let's go to let's go to 15 minutes straight. We're gonna come back. But there's something that I want to show you about confirmations. You see here, the market had a confirmation. Let's remove this. Okay, let's put it somewhere. No, this is like this. But then I want to show you this. This is our confirmation that the market was going down, right? This reversal type of pattern. Like I always say, guys, the market makers, they always gonna manipulate the data because they know every trader, the beginners, everybody, they're even on YouTube, like us, we teach you about the dead touch, but there's a lot, you understand, going on the dead touch. There's a lot of things, you understand. They manipulate the dead touch sometimes. How do you see the touch is gonna be manipulated? You know, these are the things that we don't share here, the things that we share in the mentorship program. Right here, we just give you, we tell you what is the third touch. A lot of mentors, they are doing that, right? But there's a lot in this third touch thing. There's a lot of things that you need to know. Do you understand that? So the market made first touch, second touch, then third touch, they manipulated this third touch. A lot of beginners, they will be waiting for what? For the market to reject it. So a lot of people, they bought the market somewhere here. Maybe they put their stop loss here, then they hit their stop losses. Or they sold the market here, and then it hit their stop loss. Then they were like, no. Or some of them, they broke their account, something like that. But it's very important to always wait for confirmation. How did I saw this confirmation? I waited for this to create, right? And then it created this indecision candlestick, and then with this one candlestick. So my entry was here. That's where we enter the market because it created these are the candlestick. It's called if not a shooting star. Even not a shooting star, I forgot the name, but yeah, it's been long. I studied candlestick long time ago, guys. So I don't even know their names, but I know the confirmation. You understand? But I think it's a shooting star or a morning star, something like that. So it created this candlestick pattern here, and then I decided to take it down. You understand? So these are the confirmation that you need to know. And then most of YouTubers, they don't really reveal, you know, those things. So we reveal those things on mentorship programs, guys. So it's very important to find yourself a mentor that you trust, and then you get a mentorship program so that you can be mentored. Or like myself. You understand? You can trust me, guys. So yeah, so this is what we have. So let's go back to H4 and see what's happening on H4. Like I said, we already got the confirmation on 15 minutes. You understand? So meaning the market here is going down. So there is thing that I saw, right? Let's go back a little bit. That's why it's very, very important, guys, you know, to know from H4 to H1 to 30 minutes. You know, there are nothing that you're gonna find there. So let's see here. Okay, this is what we have. And now let's identify another strong area. Another strong area is this one. Then I'm gonna explain. You see this area here. You see this area. This area is a high volume area. It's very, very important, guys, to identify these things so that you can know when the market arrives to this area, what you're gonna do. Our first area, I say two. Let's go on page 4. Yes. Our first area is this one, which is this one. This one, then this one, the second one. Oh, let's say this is the first one and this one is the second one. Hence, that's why it's very important for us to use what? To use stop losses. Do you understand that? So when I look at this, I see that the market rejected here, acted as a support. As you can see, the market broke out. Then it broke in again. Like I always say, when the market breaks out and then breaks in, wait for the retest, then buy it. That's how the market works. Even in this side, like I said, if the market, you find something like this, then it breaks in to a certain level, you wait for the market to come back and retest that level, and then you continue. That's the simple way. It's a very, very basic thing. Yes. So now we can clearly see this area, this pullback here, or which is retest, creates this huge impulse to the movement to the upside, right? And then you can clearly see that we have a down bottom, which is this one, which is a W pattern, which makes this area a very, very powerful area. So hence, also this one is what is a strong area. So what we're gonna expect for the market to push down, come to this area, right? And then go up. You understand? This is our first entry. If the like I always say to you, we don't control the market. We don't control the market. So if the market decide no, I still don't find that high volume here and decide to push, wait for a confirmation, it's gonna come to this area. After this area, then you're gonna buy it. So this is what we have for AUDUSD. So you must monitor this kind of thing. They're very, very important, guys. So let me show you another thing. Yes. You can see here, let's zoom in. You can see here we have this pattern, which is a continuation flag. Like I said, the market use impulse correction, impulse correction. You can clearly see there we have this continuation pattern. We can call it also a flag. You understand? So we have this flag here, also something like this. So why did I choose this area? Is okay. So now we have reason which why the market will not come here. Do you understand? Let me explain. We have the first touch, we have the second touch, we're waiting for the third touch. And the third touch, the way it seems like the touch is gonna be on this area, which is this area here. Which is this area, which is also what is also our strong zone. Do you understand that? Which is our strong. So what we're gonna do here is just gonna wait for the market. Do you understand? And so what we're gonna do here, we're just gonna wait for the market to place push to this area. You can maybe do some ranging just to come and do it, but it's not gonna always be accurate, you understand? And come to meet this area and make a dead touch, right? A dead touch confirmation with this strong area, it gives you the confidence and that confirmation that no, the market is gonna reject here. But then, like I said, we don't always control the market, and the market makers, they know this kind of strategies. Do you understand? So they might see with a lot of people, they are waiting here. So don't panic when the market decide to shoot and come to this area. Don't panic. Just wait for a confirmation again and then go up. That's why it's very important to use stop losses. Don't just go on in at first. Do you understand? You just put it maybe the first entry like one order, then you wait for the market and create a condition pattern. After creating that condition pattern, that is when you can go on in. Do you understand that? So you must be very, very careful in these areas. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video. Also uh, join the mentorship program. Join the mentorship program, guys. Also, yeah, I'm doing an event, guys, on the 29th of June. It's gonna be at Wheat Bank cappuccinos. So everybody who's interested to come talk, I'll be talking about the market there, and I'll be talking about my story. I think a lot of people, they need to know, to understand as a trader, when you face challenges, how to overcome this kind of challenges. So we're gonna be talking about choosing faith over fear, guys. So it's very important. I wish you can come, guys. Yeah, come, guys. If you are, near Wheatbank, please come through. The event is gonna be there. You can go to my TikTok account, Mr. Danims FX. I have the post there, everything is there. So it's gonna happen on the 29th of June, right? A cappuccino servways. You understand that? So yeah, we're gonna be having a lot of guest speakers. We're having an author. Gonna be having listing SA 2021, if not 2022. We're gonna be having our six of one guys. Our six of one guy, yeah, our six of one guy. Yeah, I don't know how to spell that well, but at least yeah, entertainment. And then there's this speaker that I forgot her name, but she's gonna be there too, guys. So please come, guys, come and meet your mentor, Mr. Dynamics of X. You know what it is, dog. It's gonna be a hot one, guys. It's very, very important, guys, as the upcoming trader, so that you can know how to overcome challenges. Do you understand? Yeah, as an upcoming trader, because I have been through a lot of challenges as a trader. Do you understand that? And I think you need to know my story, and then it's gonna inspire you, to not do the same mistake that I've done, to be able to overcome whatever that comes to you as a trader. Yeah. So there's a lot that we're gonna be talking about. So please show up, guys. The event is gonna happen on the 29th of June. It's gonna be on Saturday, right? 1 p.m. So please be there, guys. Be there or be told. The boy, Mr. Dynamic FX, the one and only Mr. Too Good. God bless you. See you in the next video.